Hello, in this video I want to show you how to manage battery saving settings on Dell Rugged. To do this, first we'll need to click on the Start and Opening Settings. Inside, select System, go for Power and Battery, then there's Battery Saver, and here you can manage it. For example, you can turn on your battery saver right now with Turn On Now button. You can also switch when the battery saver will turn on automatically, and you can choose the battery percentage that you need to reach. So for example, we can go with Never. Lower screen brightness when using battery saver, which means when you're enabling it, it will lower your display brightness like I have right here, and when it's disabled, it's gone. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.